Happy Tuesday! It's Miss Jen at Polk County Public Libraries here with another story time. So this week we are going to read some books about shapes, and this week's story time also comes with a free early literacy kit. So make sure to pick this up at Columbus Library or Saluda Library this week, and there are 4 different activities inside about shapes. So there's a shape scavenger hunt. You can go around your house or go outside and find things that match the different shapes. There is a Q-tip painting activity. So you're going to dip your Q-tip into the paint that we provide and trace along the shapes on the worksheet that's also in there. There are 2 pipe cleaners, and there are directions in here how to do everything, but you're gonna mold those pipe cleaners into shapes. And then there are a few pieces of colored paper. The sticker is touching the paper, so it might tear a little bit when you open the bag, but that is okay because we are going to cut it up. So you're going to cut your colored paper into shapes, so you will need a pair of scissors, and this is a great time to practice some motor skills using those scissors, some kid scissors. And you will cut your colored paper into different shapes and make objects out of them. So you could make a house out of shapes like squares and triangles. You could make a car, you could make a fire truck. And this first book I'm going to read to you today, Color Farm, you can also make some animals out of shapes. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So Lois Ehlert is the author of this, and she does a few different books about colors and shapes. There's also Color Zoo, so you can check one of those out if you want to get some ideas. And this one is Color Farm. So it'll show us shapes and the different farm animals you can make with shapes. On this farm, you can view animal ears and whiskers too. Lots of animals to be found, shapes and colors all around. Look at beaks and snouts with me, make some more for us to see. Rooster. And then here you can see our first shape is a square. Duck. And then we have an octagon. Chicken. Hexagon. And here are all different shapes. Here are the squares, the hexagons, and the octagons. Now we have a dog and a circle. A goose and a heart. A sheep and a diamond. So we did circle, diamond, and heart. Now we have my favorite animal, a cat, and a rectangle, a cow, and an oval, a pig, and a triangle. So we added 3 more shapes, rectangle, oval, and triangle. And these are all of the farm animals that you can make out of those 9 shapes. Rooster, chicken, goose, duck, cat, dog, sheep, pig, cow. All right, I hope you guys have fun.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
All right, we're back. Our next shape book that I'm going to read is called Round is a Mooncake. It's a book of shapes, and it's written by Roseanne Thong and illustrated by Grace Lynn. Round is a mooncake, round is the moon, round are the lanterns outside my room. Round is a pebble that I found, a bowl of goldfish that make no sound. Round are the rice bowls in our house. Round are the eyes of my curious mouse. Round is a ball that spins and twirls and the happy faces of boys and girls. Round are cups of jasmine tea at a table beneath a tree. What other round things do you see? Square is a checkerboard in the park. Square is my name Chop's inky mark. Square are tofu and radish cakes. Square are the sweets the bakery makes. Square is the box that pizza comes in, and dim sum made by Mrs. Chin. Square is the basket where kittens sleep. Square is a box for secrets I keep. Square is a window with a view. Square is my room and my family's house too. I can name more square things, can you? Rectangles are inking stones, paintbrush racks, and mobile phones. Popo's favorite Chinese lace, a very special pencil case. Rectangles are sacks of rice, an abacus to tell the price. A puppet stage and homemade tickets. Rectangles are homes for crickets. Lucky money on a tree. Envelopes for you and me. Rectangles are books for fun, a bed to sleep in when day is done. Can you name another one? The end.